We are already partner for several years for the AMTC conference. Why? Because this is very important to bring people of the ecosystem together, collaborate between machine builder, machine user, designer, institutes. And here the AMTC is a perfect platform, and it's really great this year that we are in person here in Aachen and have the possibility to have hundreds of people online with us. So there's no barrier on site and online. You need to think additive manufacturing backwards from the application and then end to end. It's about the design, data, workflow of software which needs to be automated, seamless, integrated with the machine. Machines need to be really industrial grade, automated to be reliable and stable. And then it's about having the quality and the data used to continuously improve your flow. Only then this can be industrial ready, and then this can be a business case to earn money and scale it up to large applications. Yeah, for us at Siemens, it's twofold. It's about transforming ourselves with our 300,000 employees, and then it's transforming our customers and partners. We have trusted partners and customers of 250,000 around the globe. They rely on our automation and software, and therefore it's really the platform here to learn with all the technology, the requirements, and then develop the right tools for the industry to make this momentum of growth happen.